Are you struggling to upload large video files using Angular? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, especially when working with Angular 4. Today, we're going to explore how to tackle this issue effectively. I completely understand your frustration. After searching for solutions online, it can feel like you're hitting a wall. It's tough when you find resources for older versions like AngularJS, but nothing for Angular 4. You're definitely not the only one feeling this way. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, how can I upload a big file using Angular 4? They found some resources for AngularJS, but were left wondering if there are any options available for Angular 4. Sound familiar? Let's find a solution together. So, what makes uploading large files tricky in Angular? It often comes down to limitations in the default HTTP client and the need for efficient handling of file streams. But don't worry, we will break it down step by step. And stay tuned. At the end of this video, I have a fantastic resource that will make your file uploads a breeze. You won't want to miss it. To begin uploading large video files in Angular, the user should first install the required package called ng2 file upload. This package is specifically designed for Angular applications and supports file uploads. Next, the user needs to import the file uploader module into their Angular application. This is done in the module file where the user wants to use the uploader. Now the user should create an instance of file uploader in their component. This instance will handle the file upload process, including the URL to which the files will be sent. After setting up the uploader, the user can create a method to handle the file selection and upload process. This method will be triggered when the user selects a file. Finally, the user should create a simple HTML template to allow users to select and upload their video files. This will include an input field and a button to trigger the upload. Fun fact, did you know that the first video file ever uploaded online was just 3 seconds long? It was a clip of a band called the Buggles performing Video Killed the Radio Star. Now we can upload hours of content with just a few clicks. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach for uploading large video files in Angular is to send the file in chunks. This method is similar to how torrenting works. A library called TUS allows you to upload files in smaller parts and even offers a resumable upload option. If there are any interruptions during the upload, users can easily resume from where they left off. Here's the resource I promised. Check out ngx-file upload on GitHub for detailed documentation and examples. This will make your file upload process much easier. And there you have it. You now have the tools to upload large video files using Angular 4. Remember, experimenting with different libraries and configurations is key. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.